For a change, there is no moral story today. What? What we are doing then? We are playing a live game on greed. Do you know what is greed? No. You will know what is greed while playing this game. Even we are also not known about this game. I am very excited. Let's watch. So guys, the game is set. There are 4 boxes. In these boxes there are chocolates, biscuits, candies, cakes. One of them may have a big surprise also. So guys, the rule is each member should come here and open the box number 1. Whatever the thing is in box number 1, if he is satisfied, he can take the box. If he thinks that there will be special things in other box, he can move to other boxes. But after moving to other boxes, he cannot move to box number 1. So let's play the game. Hi, I am Akanksha and I am going to continue this game.
Go ahead. All the best.
Thank you.
Go ahead and open the first box. See what is in the box. Remove all the stuff. Faster. You can't take so long.
Okay.
What do you find? Open. Remove.
I found this.
What do you found? What is it?
It's Kit Kat 5-star and Parle-G biscuit and 5-star and Dairy Milk.
Okay. Are you happy with that or you want to try more boxes?
I want to try more boxes.
Okay, then keep it down. Leave it like that. Go to the second box. Keep it, leave it like that. Go to the second box. Okay.
In second,
Wow, excited? What did you found?
I found cake, 5-star and Parle-G.
Is it more or less?
Less,
Okay, you want to take it or you want to try? More boxes.
more boxes.
Okay, go ahead. Leave it. Box number 3. Come on, open. You want my help?
Yes.
How are you feeling? You already lost 2 boxes. Wow, is it something surprising here in this box? What did you got?
I got 2 5-star and 1 Dairy Milk.
You happy or you want to try another box?
Another box.
Okay, keep it down. Now maybe there is a surprise in this box. Let's see. What did you found? Wow.
The chit.
What is
I
it?
found the chocolate.
Okay, what is it chit saying?
This is the
Cost of
Cost
your
of
greed.
your-
Oh, what did you found? Only? You left with only what? 1 chocolate. You had everything in other boxes, but it is your greed. You keep on moving and ended up with only.
1 chocolate.
Very sorry for you, Akansha. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Vedant. I am going to play this game. I will take box number 1.
Okay. What do you have in box number 1?
I have cake.
Okay, remove, take it out. I don't mind. Okay, can you tell me what all you saw in the box number 1?
I saw cake
What else?
and chocolate.
Okay, please be faster, Vedant. You can't take so long. And take a decision. Do you want to take everything this? Is that okay? You want to move on to the next box? Okay, go ahead. Good. What did you find in box number 2?
Biscuit.
Okay, you want box number 2? No? Was it more than box number 1 or less than box number 1? Huh? Less. Oh, you already lost. You want to try the third one? Okay, go ahead. Maybe you will have something surprise in this box. You never know. Wow, what did you found? What is it?
Chocolates.
Is it more or less than 1 and 2?
More.
Is it more than 1 and 2? Okay, so are you happy with what you got in third or you want to go for the fourth? Wow, that's a good decision. We will come to know. Maybe there is something surprise for you. What is it? Oh, what is it saying? Can you please read out? Read it loud.
This is the cost of your greed.
So what did you got ultimately? Only one chocolate. Oh, so that means you had everything in other boxes, but it's your greed which keep on motivating you to move to the next. Anyways, well played. Thank you, Vedant. Hi guys. How are you feeling?
I am very bad.
What happened?
Because at the end we got one chocolate only. One.
What kept you going on to the next box? What happened? Why did you keep on moving?
Because we thought that we want more and more.
Exactly, guys. That is what the moral of the story is. The moral of the story is sometimes we have everything. God has given us everything. See, in box number 1 and 2, we had everything, whatever you guys wanted. Chocolate, cake, biscuit, everything we had. But what we did? We keep on moving to the next box. Exactly, that is what happened in our lives. Sometimes we will have everything in our life. But our greed to get more and more, we end up losing everything or we will not enjoy what we have. So guys, there is a limit to the greed. Okay? Enjoy what you have. Thank you so much, guys.